In the early hours of October 12, 2001, the quiet neighborhood of Queen Anne in Seattle was shattered by a crime that would send ripples through the legal community and beyond. Thomas Wales, a respected assistant United States attorney and a fervent advocate for gun control, was found shot in his home, a victim of a calculated assassination. Despite extensive investigations, his murder remains unsolved, leaving a lingering sense of unease and a quest for justice that continues to this day. Thomas Crane Wales was born on June 23, 1952, in Boston, Massachusetts. A graduate of Harvard University and Hofstra University School of Law, he dedicated his career to public service, joining the U.S. Attorney's Office in Seattle in 1983. Specializing in white-collar crime, Wales was known for his meticulous approach to cases and his unwavering commitment to justice. Beyond his legal work, he was deeply involved in civic activities, notably serving as the president of Washington Ceasefire, a nonprofit organization advocating for gun control measures. On the night of October 11, 2001, Wales was working late in his basement office, composing emails and preparing materials for his ad. At approximately 10:40 p.m., an assailant approached his home and fired multiple shots through a basement window, striking Wales as he sat at his desk. A neighbor, alerted by the gunshots, called 911. Wales was transported to Harborview Medical Center, where he succumbed to his injuries the following day. The nature of the attack, a targeted shooting through a window, suggested a level of planning and intent that pointed to a professional hit. The investigation into Wales's murder was extensive, involving local law enforcement and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Early leads included a sketch of a person of interest and the recovery of shell casings from the scene. Ballistics analysis revealed that the bullets were fired from a Makarov pistol equipped with an aftermarket barrel, a detail that added a layer of complexity to the case. Despite these efforts, the case grew cold, with no arrests made and no definitive suspects identified. Over the years, various theories emerged regarding the motive behind the assassination. Some speculated that Wales's role as a federal prosecutor had made him a target, while others pointed to his prominent position in the gun control movement as a possible factor. In 2018, the FBI announced that they believed the murder was likely carried out by a contract killer, suggesting a conspiracy involving multiple individuals. However, no further details were provided, and the case remains open. The psychological impact of Wales's murder on the community and his colleagues was profound. The idea that a federal prosecutor could be assassinated in his own home sent shockwaves through the legal system, raising concerns about the safety of public servants and the potential reach of those willing to silence them. For his family, friends, and the broader community, the lack of closure has been a source of ongoing pain and frustration. In the years following his death, efforts have been made to honor Wales's legacy. The Thomas C. Wales Foundation was established to promote civic engagement and public service, reflecting the values he championed throughout his life. Additionally, Thomas C. Wales Park in Seattle was dedicated in his memory, providing a space for reflection and community gathering. Despite the passage of time, the quest for justice continues. The FBI has maintained a $1 million reward for information, leading to the arrest and conviction of those responsible for Wales's murder. Periodic appeals to the public have been made, including video messages from Wales's children urging anyone with information to come forward. The case remains a priority for investigators, who hope that advances in forensic technology or new leads will eventually bring resolution. The murder of Thomas Wales stands as a stark reminder of the potential dangers faced by those who serve the public and advocate for change. It underscores the importance of vigilance, the need for robust protections for public servants, and the enduring value of seeking justice. No matter how much time has passed, if this story has resonated with you, we invite you to explore our Real Cases playlist, where we delve into other mysteries that have left an indelible mark on communities. By engaging with these stories, we honor the memories of those lost and contribute to a collective effort to seek truth and justice. Your attention and awareness can make a difference. In remembering Thomas Wales, we acknowledge not only the tragedy of his untimely death, but also the enduring impact he has had on the pursuit of justice and the importance of never giving up, no matter how cold the case may seem. His story continues to echo, a somber reminder and a beacon urging us toward a more vigilant and compassionate society.